I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python through AI. Begin by selecting an AI coding assistant like ChatGPT or Google Gemini. Use it to break down Python fundamentals into manageable steps. Ask for explanations of data types, control flow, and functions. This approach helps you grasp core concepts quickly and efficiently, building a strong foundation for more advanced topics. Once you understand the basics, leverage AI for practical coding. Ask your AI assistant to generate code for small projects, like a simple calculator or a text analyzer. When you encounter errors, paste your code and the error message into the AI. It can pinpoint issues and suggest corrections, significantly speeding up your debugging process and enhancing your problem-solving skills. To solidify your learning, work on larger projects with AI support. For instance, build a web scraper or a basic game. AI can help you structure your project, suggest relevant libraries, and even explain advanced concepts like object-oriented programming. This hands-on experience, combined with AI's immediate assistance, accelerates your journey towards becoming a proficient Python developer. Remember to balance AI assistance with independent problem solving. Don't just copy AI code. Strive to understand why it works. Regularly challenge yourself with new problems and explore different Python domains. Continuous learning and application are key to mastery. Also, for staying refreshed during your coding sessions, check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.